Welcome to myotherapyhealthcare.com. This is Laura Lee. I am here as a nutritional herbalist and a myotherapist, but I'm actually here to explain to you about how to take care of yourself proactively every day with yourself and some ideas and tips on how to do that. There's a lot of talk about cannabis and hemp, which is the miracle stuff of the planet right now, and it's about time that it's made legal. But the marijuana portion of it is something that you might want to consider if you are ingesting a lot of it, or if you find yourself in the world of marijuana. Is like a trigger word for people in my generation. Not me though, but people who are against marijuana, they get triggered by the word. So cannabis is usually the good political correct way to describe anything that has to do with marijuana. And this is why. Because what is it? Cannabis sativa is what marijuana is. Hashish oil, marijuana, Acapulco Gold, Colombian, ganja, grass, hemp, joint, pot, tie sticks, weed, roach, hash, bud. Type, it's a hallucinogen. Forms, gray-green to green-brown dry leaf, resin oil, leaf oil. Combinations, with PCP, supergrass, killer weed, with opium, OJ, with heroin, atomic bomb, A-bomb. I haven't heard of any of that stuff. But this is what people are doing. Usage, inhaling by smoking a joint, bong, or pipe. May be cooked or baked in foods and eaten. Legal status, illegal. In some states, it's getting legal. It's so silly that it's been illegal because it actually expands your consciousness. It doesn't hurt anybody, not like alcohol, that's for dang sure. The prime psychoactive elements of cannabis is THC, is administered in gelatin capsules for medical research testing of nausea treatment related to cancer chemotherapy, glaucoma, epilepsy, and muscle spasm due to multiple sclerosis or spinal cord injury. It does a heck of a lot more than that. I just worked with my mom on that, and she really helped her a lot. What it feels like, and she's 81, feelings of contentment and relaxation may be accompanied by loss of inhibition, bouts of laughter, continuous talking, increased sensitivity to audio and visual effects, increased sensitivity to touch, smell, taste, and movement, confusion, disorientation, recent memory loss, reduced attention span, lack of balance and stability, loss of muscle strength, shaking, anxiety, increases appetite, and paranoia may occur with higher dosages. What it is, to your mind, distorts perception of reality. Reality, I think, is distorted, personally. To your body, I think we live in backwards land, and this is going to be part of changing it. Increases your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, limits control of movement. How can it hurt you? Heart-related effect, asthma, bronchitis, damage to the respiratory system and tissue, reddening of eyes, change in sex drive, infertility, changes in body temperature, hallucinations, slowed reaction time, delusions, panic, toxic psychosis, activation of latent schizophrenia, which may continue indefinitely, amotivational syndrome, which you're not very motivated, memory loss, short-term memory, with possible permanent brain damage. Death of self and others due to driving under the influence, especially when combined with alcohol. Mostly when combined with alcohol. Dependence can develop as a psychological craving. Unborn children of mothers who use cannabis may develop congenital defects or experience delayed development after birth. When to get help? You can check these off if you want. Do you think about how and when you're going to smoke again? Check it off if you want to. Do you worry, number 2, do you worry if no marijuana is available? Number 3, is your job or school performance affected? Number 4, do you spend more and more money on pot? Number 5, have you been stopped for driving under the influence? One yes may indicate a problem. Fact, cannabis is the most abused psychoactive drug by students after alcohol. So alcohol, then they smoke, and I don't know. I have an opinion about alcohol, and I have an opinion about cannabis. And my opinion is the cannabis and hemp are going to really save the planet from a lot of things. I did another video on how hemp and cannabis is going to do that, so check it out on lauraleewaldorf.com or myotherapyhealthcare.com. So love life, and life will love you back. I'll be here again every day to give you another tidbit on how to take care of yourself proactively. Bye-bye for now.